Hello again. Welcome to my new series in Hindi Learning Made Easy. This is part 3 of vocabulary series. In this series, you will learn words which can be used in place of names. These words are called pronouns. Let us learn pronouns in Hindi. This lesson is first in the series. Please watch the video till the end. There will be a quiz for you for your effective learning. In this lesson, you will learn pronouns I and you. Side by side, you will also learn some more Hindi words and Hindi sentence formation. Though these words you have learned already in previous lessons, or you may be knowing it already, but there is much more to learn about them. So please keep watching. Before we learn I and you in Hindi, I want you to learn few words in Hindi to make your learning more interesting and effective. First word is happy. Happy in Hindi is khush. Observe, it is not kush, it is khush. There is ha sound after ka. So it is khush. You already know that I in Hindi is main. Here, underlined N is giving nasal sound to the word and not to be pronounced. Speak with me, main, and observe the sound is going through your nose. Also remember, I is always main, whether it is used by a girl or a boy. Now see, what is I am in Hindi? I is main, am is whom. So I am in Hindi is main hoon. Remember, any sentence starting from main should always end at whom. Let us learn this in detail. In English, if the sentence is I am dash 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 dash, in Hindi it will be मैं dash 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 हूँ, because verb always goes at the end of the sentence. Let us see how Hindi sentences are formed. The first English sentence using I am is I am Sachin. In Hindi, Sachin will go in between मैं and whom. Hindi sentence will be मैं Sachin हूँ. Speak with me. मैं Sachin हूँ. Similarly, the next sentence, I am Rita. In Hindi, मैं Rita हूँ. Next sentence is I am a doctor. In Hindi, a doctor is एक doctor. एक doctor will go in between मैं and whom. So Hindi sentence will be मैं एक doctor हूँ. Next sentence, I am happy. We have just learned happy is khush. Now in Hindi, khush will go in between मैं and whom. The sentence will be मैं खुश हूँ. You already know from previous lessons that you in Hindi is aap. In Hindi, you is different in formal and informal conversation. In Hindi, whenever we speak to elders or strangers or to anyone who should be respected, we use formal you, which is aap. Let us learn first formal you. Any sentence starting with aap will always end with hain. In English, you are will be aap hain. In Hindi, always aap ends with hain. In English, if the sentence is you are dash 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 dash, then in Hindi it will be aap dash 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 hain, because verb always goes at the end of the sentence. Let us take one English sentence using you are. The sentence is you are Sachin. In Hindi, Sachin will go in between aap and hain. Hindi sentence will be aap Sachin hain. Similarly, you are Kathy. In Hindi, it will be aap Kathy hain. Next sentence, you are a doctor. In Hindi, ek doctor will go in between aap and hain. Hindi sentence will be aap ek doctor hain. Next sentence, you are happy. We have just learned happy is khush. In Hindi, khush will go in between aap and hain, and sentence will be aap khush hain. Speak with me. Aap khush hain. Let us now learn informal you in Hindi. Informal you is tum. In Hindi, when we speak to youngers or friends or to our siblings, we use informal you, which is tum. It's not tum, it is tum. Your tongue should touch the teeth from behind when you say tum. Let us learn informal you. Also, remember, any sentence starting with tum will always end with ho. You are in English will be tum ho in Hindi. In English, if the sentence is you are dash dash dash, in Hindi it will be tum dash 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 ho, because verb always goes at the end of the sentence. Here, ho is the verb. Let us take one English sentence using you are in an informal way. You are Sachin. In Hindi, Sachin will go in between tum and ho. The sentence will be tum Sachin ho. Speak with me. Tum Sachin ho. Similarly, you are Kathy. तुम कैथी हो. तुम कैथी हो. Let us see. You are happy in informal conversation. In Hindi, happy is khush. And khush will go in between tum and ho. The sentence will be tum khush ho. Speak with me. Tum khush ho. Let us revise. मैं हूँ, आप हैं, तुम हो. Speak with me. मैं हूँ, आप हैं, तुम हो. Quiz time now. Let me see how much do you remember. In this quiz, there'll be a picture, a word, and a speech bubble. Looking at the picture and the word, you have to tell me in Hindi what the person is saying. Let us start. Are you ready with the answer? Yes. मैं रूबी हूँ. How many of you got it right? Comment below and let me know. Second question is on your screen. Let me know what the girl is trying to say to the doctor. Did you get it? Answer is आप एक डॉक्टर हैं. आप एक डॉक्टर हैं. Next question. Are you ready with the answer? तुम खुश हो. तुम is informal. तुम ends with ho. Happy is खुश. तुम खुश हो. Question number 4 is on your screen. The conversation has to be formal. Think what the girl is saying. आप राहुल हैं. आप because of formal conversation and आप always ends with हैं. So आप राहुल हैं. Here is the last question. And the answer is मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. मैं always ends with हूँ. मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. You can also write your own sentences using मैं, आप और तुम in your comment section and send it to me. I will try my best to reply. Also write these sentences in your notebook and try to speak correctly. Paste pictures for a happy face in your picture book and write khush. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video with some more pronouns. फिर मिलेंगे. Namaste.